Hello, my name is Eddie McDonald. I'm a chef at Donald Russell. I'm here today to show you how to cook your perfect turkey from frozen. It's rather simple to do. All you need is a turkey, an oven and a digital thermometer. As you can see, this turkey is still frozen. I took it from the freezer approximately 20 minutes ago. This makes it easier to unwrap. At that point, I preheated the fan oven to 160 degrees Celsius. These free-range bronze turkeys are from the Louis farmers in France. This is a slow-growing breed with a healthy outdoor lifestyle, so you know it's just going to taste delicious. These birds are prepared without giblets, so you're only paying for prime meat. To prepare your turkey for the oven, place it on a wire rack and then into an ovenable tray. Drizzle with olive oil. Spread this evenly across the bird and season well with sea salt and cracked black pepper. Now that your turkey is seasoned, place it in the oven for the initial 2.5 hours. After 2.5 hours, we need to do the first temperature check. I've laid down a damp cloth to lay the tray on to prevent it from slipping. Collect the turkey from the oven and lay it on the cloth. Make sure you go back to close the oven door to maintain the heat. Take your temperature probe and insert it into the thickest part of the breast meat. Push towards the bone and withdraw it slightly. It most certainly won't be cooked at this stage, but there's plenty more cooking to happen. Pull the probe from the turkey, and the next step is to drain the juices from the cavity. Insert a set of tongs into the cavity and support at the opposite end and tilt the juices into the tray. These will most certainly be showing pink at this stage, but don't worry, there's plenty more cooking to happen. Add 3 cups of liquid to help it stay juicy and add flavour to your gravy. I'm using a blend of white wine, and some chicken stock. Before you return it to the oven, brush it again all over with olive oil, just to help build up a crispness to the skin. And then return the bird to the oven for a further 45 minutes. Repeat the temperature test after 45 minutes and thereafter every 15 to 30 minutes until you achieve 74 degrees. Bear in mind, all ovens vary. If the bird is beginning to brown too much, cover with tin foil. For the final temperature test, check the breast and the thickest part of the thigh. If they both achieve 74 degrees, remove the turkey from the oven. Tip the turkey again to drain off any cooking juices. Drain into the tray and reserve this for your gravy. Place the bird on a platter to rest. Cover loosely with foil. You need this to rest for a minimum of 30 minutes. You can go much higher, you could leave that for an hour or more just to let the juices resettle within the bird before carving. Whilst your turkey is resting, use this time to create a beautiful gravy using these roasting juices. You can also use the time to finish your vegetables and side dishes. Now that it is rested, your perfect turkey is ready to carve. We recommend use a very sharp, well-balanced carving knife. Use the fork to support the breast and carve. Look at that, beautifully juicy. There you have it, the perfect turkey. Merry Christmas. For full step-by-step instructions on how to cook the perfect turkey from frozen, click here. Merry Christmas!